ngangiyisone sibi ngezaye enkosini kwathi ngegama lika Yesu ngathola ukukhululwa wesumthandazo wami wangithethelela wangethula umthwalo wangishiya neculo niyalazi wangethula umthwalo owawungahlula wangethula umthwalo ngomthandazo wami ufalo lwami lophela Jesu wavusa umoya wami wangethula umthwalo wangishiya neculo andikho kulo ndawo. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nomhle Tolwana. I'm born again and I love Jesus Christ. And if you're new in this channel, please subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you've been waiting for this video, this is the right time. So in today's video, I want to teach you how to deliver yourself from against sexual dreams, right? Yes, there are people who are struggling with sexual dreams and it's a lot. But if you think you are going to do this deliverance while you are still fornicating, while you are still masturbating, while you are still, you are still involved in any, sexual immorality act, then my dear, you are really wasting your time. Okay? Number one, let me tell you what causes sexual dream. The reason for these bad dreams, sexual dreams, it is because lamto tumele saslwani to sleep with you ufuni light yakho, right? They are taking they are taking your light so that they can manipulate your destiny. So sexual dream is not just a dream that when you wake up you can laugh and say no, it's a dream. When you wake up, you cast it out, you bind it, you cancel it, you claim your destiny back, especially when bekuthumele lezi zinto ukuthi zilale nazo nawe, it is because they are manipulating your marriage destiny. I don't know if you understand, right? They want to make sure that you don't get married. Even if you get married, you will always fight with your husband or with your wife. And if you are fighting with or sometimes they make sure that you don't bear children. Yeah, understand? These things doesn't only happen kumabhinqa kuphela ne kubantu, to women only. It also happens to amadoda, and also ayenzeki kubantu abangatshadanga kuphela, kuyenzeka nakubantu abatshadile, abantu batargeta imitshato. You understand? Ufumanise uba you are married but every day you have sexual dreams, right? It is that attack suyithatha kancinci ingachithela umtshato wakho. So make sure ukuthi you are going to do exactly what I am telling you to do, right? Because guys, yabona eza dreams eziya zirongo kakhulu zimosha izinto zabantu ezininzi kakhulu, ne? Okay. If you are married, ne, you are a husband or you are a wife, and uyazi ukuthi lento iyenzeka, I know kuba nzima ukuthetha nomyeni wakho, but if ungumuntu onayo leya, yeah, understand, ingqondo senjilo, then uzokwazi ukuthetha naye, even if it's your wife, uba ungunkosikazi nyani or enakhayo naye ayincikincikana. Impela mina ngikhuluma ngenqothofu. That's the way doing ngqothofu. Yo, so injalo, so uyathetha naye, my wife, my dear lovely wife, my putsununu, my yoki Yo, hayi guys, ngicela ukuba serious ne. No, kahle kahle mani be serious because it's serious lento. Okay. Then uyathetha naye bajonga ndibe namaphupho anje. So ndifumene le video ku YouTube. So le yami ke loyibukele ngoNganomzuzu ewe dala. Ndifumane le video ku YouTube. Ndicela undiphe nje le 3 days fasting. Kule fasting umuntu ke xa nithandaza nobabini angancedisa kule fasting so that uzoba delivered kwesisilwane esithunyelwa kuwe ukuthi sihlukanise umtshato wakho. Nenze nje ifasting yakhona ningayibreaka ngo-12 emini, ningayibreaka ngo-1, angenzelanga uba ibe yinto enkulu kangako. But ke xa ubona ukuthi hayi wena uright for ukuthi yenze from 6 to 6, that's okay. Uyabona ngendlela ozoyenza ngayo, ya understand. Then xa ungena kwi-fasting nasi iscripture zakupha sona, uyamxelela uThixo ukuthi Moya Oyingcwele ngeke nansi into eyenzakalayo. U-Isaiah 21 uverse 4 ithi, my head is spinning and I am trembling with fear. I had been longing for evening to come, but it has brought me nothing but terror. Ne uyitsho kuThixo lanto, uyi-explain ukuthi why utsho kanje. Guys, you communicate with the Lord, okay? Umxelele uba Nkosi yami, I am married, ndinenkosikazi okanye ndinomyeni, kodwa le nto iyafika ilale nami every day. Andisathandi xa kutshona ilanga, andithandi. Kwathi explainele. Then ke ngokumcele, ask for deliverance. God, may you deliver me from this. I can't take it anymore. Le nto imoshela umtshato, because guys, let us be honest. Ne? Xa uba nalamaphupho lawa emaxesheni amaninzi uvuka, okay yo, ndingayithetha kanjani? Are you sensitive? So sorry, but uvuka when you are girl, bendibanawo lamaphupho dipako 16, 17, 18 years. Guys, ndandingekabi involved to any sexual immorality ke ngelo xesha, andifuni nokuniqhatha, ndandingekabi fornication nento. Kodwa guys, ndandibana lamaphupho every time xa ndizaya kwii-periods, and ndizovuka ndimanzi ndivuka ukuthi ikhona into khona umshikashika. You understand? So ayikho right laa nto. Even if you are not married, laa nto ayikho right mntasi, izokuvalela amadoda angakuboni. Esimalanga ngeke utshate, ama-finances kusemsebenzini, yonke into iyavala laa nto, because esesilwane basithumele vele ukuthi sizomanipulate i-destiny yakho, ne? So uthandaze ke bese uyayikhasta out lamaphupho, ucela i-deliverance kuqala ndithi, bese ukhasta out lamaphupho. Usebenzisani ke xa sowenza kanjalo? Usebenzisa i-scriptures endingazukunika zona. Guys, sendinibhaqile mna, ndininika ii-scriptures kakhulu apha, and nina ndiyanibona nina anifuni ukuzibhekela ii-scriptures. Go and google the scriptures ongazisebenzisa when you pray against sexual dreams, okay? But nase sizokunika sona esi sesokucenga uThixo, umxelele uba kunje ngaje, understand. Then bese ukhalimela laa nto. But xa ukhalimela ungamshiyi uPsalms 91, ungamshiyi uPsalms 54, ungamshiyi noNumbers 23 verse 23, okay? And ungamshiyi uLuke 10 verse 19. Ne? Ndiyakucela ke mntasekhaya, ungazishiyi ezo scriptures. Then you can go and google ezinye ongazisebenzisa, but nangu no-Isaiah 21 verse 4 uya understand. So yes, kunjalo nje. Sometimes awudingi umuntu ozakuthandazela, you only need to sit down with your wife okanye sit down with the Holy Spirit, umxelele Moya Oyingcwele, ndiyongena empini khathele imimoya efika ibhayizise ebusuku, uyayibona into efana naleyo. Yeah, so andizuthetha into ezininzi, but this is what I can share with you. Sizawuthetha deep ngezinto guys, ingxaki yami a lot is happening in my life right now, but sizothetha deep ngazo. Ndinivumela, will allow you to ask questions about these things ukuthi what do you mean Nomhle when you say these dreams can manipulate your entire destiny. I have the answers for you guys, but ke sizoza kwizinto ezinjalo. Kwangoku do as I say, pray and you will be free, and make sure that guys you stay away from izinto ezidibene into ozibukelayo ezidibene ama-pornography yonke laa nto engekho right. Stay away from all of those things, okay? Make sure nje ukuthi nawe your body glorifies the Lord, ube pure, uya-understand. Ungathi wena uzawufika wenze i-deliverance uphinde futhi uyofornicate, uphinde uyobukela ezanto ezingekho right, uphinde wenze izinto ezingekho right. Lami imoya izobuya, uya-understand. And also xa ubona uba iyakuhlupha man lento, xa njengoba ukwi-fasting uthandaza, make sure ukuthi iBhayibhile yakho uyilalisa apha phakathi kwamathanga wakho. Yes, uyilalisa apha phakathi kwamathanga wakho. Laa nto ayizukwazi ukungena. Laa nto iba yimpi ke guys, okay? Iba yimpi, but you will be delivered, okay? Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you.